The story of three threatened lion subspecies. Lions, the kings of the animal kingdom, majestic, powerful, and awe-inspiring. But did you know that these rulers of the wild are under threat? Today we'll uncover the story of three lion subspecies fighting for survival, explore why they matter, and learn how we can protect them. Lions have long been a symbol of strength, courage, and power. Yet behind their regal image lies a grim reality. Their populations are declining, and some subspecies are on the verge of disappearing forever. Let's begin with the story of the Asiatic lion. The Asiatic lion. First, we have the Asiatic lion, a subspecies found only in the Gir forest of Gujarat, India. Once, these lions roamed a vast territory stretching from the Middle East to Asia. Now they survive in just one small pocket of forest, their population reduced to around 600 individuals. Their survival is a testament to conservation efforts, but challenges remain. Habitat loss due to agriculture and urban expansion has shrunk their living space. Human-wildlife conflict is another issue, as lions occasionally venture into nearby villages in search of food. Another major concern is genetic inbreeding. With such a small population, the lions are at risk of diseases and reduced genetic diversity, which weakens their resilience to environmental changes. Conservationists are exploring ways to introduce genetic variety, such as relocating lions to new protected areas. But these efforts are still in progress. The West African lion. Next, let's turn to the West African lion, a critically endangered subspecies with fewer than 250 mature individuals remaining. These lions are scattered across fragmented habitats in countries like Burkina Faso, Benin, and Niger. Their decline is driven by several factors. Poaching is a major issue, with lions often targeted for their body parts or killed in retaliation for livestock attacks. Prey depletion is another critical problem. As human activity reduces the populations of herbivores like antelope, lions struggle to find enough food to sustain themselves. Human encroachment is perhaps the most significant threat. As towns and farms expand, the lions' habitats are fragmented, leaving them isolated and vulnerable. Without enough space to roam and breed, their numbers continue to dwindle. Efforts to save the West African lion include working with local communities to reduce poaching and encourage coexistence. For example, some programs compensate farmers for livestock losses caused by lions, reducing the likelihood of retaliatory killings. But these initiatives require funding and support to be effective. The Central African lion. The Central African lion faces similar challenges. Found in scattered regions of Central and East Africa, their populations are under threat due to habitat loss, hunting, and human-wildlife conflict. These lions are often found in areas where agriculture and development are rapidly expanding. As humans clear land for farming, the lions lose their hunting grounds. This forces them into closer contact with people, increasing the likelihood of conflict. In some regions, trophy hunting has also contributed to population declines. While regulated hunting can fund conservation efforts, in many cases, the systems in place are poorly managed, leading to overhunting and reduced lion numbers. Despite these challenges, there are success stories. Some countries have established protected reserves where lions can live and breed safely. These areas are carefully managed to balance the needs of wildlife with those of local communities. However, such efforts must be scaled up to make a significant impact. Why lions matter? Lions are more than just iconic animals. They play a crucial role in their ecosystems. As apex predators, they help regulate the populations of herbivores like zebras and antelope. This prevents overgrazing, which can destroy vegetation and disrupt entire ecosystems. When lion populations decline, the effects ripple through the food chain. Herbivore numbers can explode, leading to overgrazed landscapes that struggle to recover. Protecting lions isn't just about saving a species, it's about preserving the balance of nature. Lions also hold cultural and economic significance. They are a symbol of strength and pride in many cultures and attract tourists from around the world, contributing to local economies. Their loss would not only harm the environment, but also diminish the cultural and financial well-being of many communities.
How you can help despite the challenges. There's hope. Conservation programs, anti-poaching efforts, and habitat restoration are making a difference. But they can't succeed without global support. So how can you help? Start by supporting wildlife conservation organizations. Many groups work directly to protect lions, whether by funding anti-poaching patrols, restoring habitats, or running education programs in local communities. Spreading awareness is another powerful way to contribute. Share what you've learned about these threatened lion subspecies and the importance of conservation with others. The more people understand the problem, the more likely they are to take action. You can also advocate for responsible tourism. When visiting wildlife parks, choose operators that prioritize conservation and ethical practices. Responsible tourism not only supports local economies, but also funds the protection of lions and their habitats,